It's gonna hit us. Oh, fuck.
Alright, Marco's gonna ride the motorbike and I'm gonna follow it on the drone as best as I can. Needs a bit of a wash. Don't drop stuff. Actually, incredibly difficult. Okay. So now I'm gonna try and get on the bike.
No fucking way.
And follow him. I'll get it.
Give me the drone for now.
Man, this is gonna be so hard. I can't even control it when I'm not on the bike.
I'll have to go slows. So wait, you're gonna like do it here?
Yeah.
You're fucked. You're gonna crash it. Oh, bro, I can't ride like that. I have to do like underneath.
Oh my god.
Oh, bro.
Okay.
You almost hit the fucking truck. That's bad.
It's so hard, bro.
It's bad that I can see it now. It makes it easier. Your chin's fucking sharp, bro.
Huh?
Your chin's so sharp.
The what?
Your chin's sharp as.
Where's my drone?
It's on top of us.
Huh?
Scared you're gonna hit a power line or something.
The trees are so hard.
Oh, you're too low! You're so low! It's gonna hit us! Oh, fuck! Ah, your chin, bro!
Sorry.
Chill out on the fucking chin.